What's up guys, it's me Geek. We know the 90mm on micro four third. Yes, I'm talking about full frame 90mm. As you can see, this is a full frame camera. If you used to shoot portrait with 90mm full frame, then just divide it by 2. I really like comparing micro four third to full frame. It's very simple mess. Like this is 45mm, so it means times 2, it equals 90mm in full frame. So yeah, this is a 45mm 90mm in full frame equivalent. This is a very cheap lens, even cheaper than the 50mm from Sony, even from Canon, anything out there. And the good thing is that it's a tiny lens, it's very lightweight. As you can see, my hand, the box is too small. What's under it? Olympus is a company which is literally underrated. I wish Olympus enter the Pakistani market. Right now Pakistani market dominated by Canon. Please Olympus try to enter South Asian market like Pakistani market. Try to enter Pakistan, Sri Lanka. This kind of market will be better. So let me just open it. It's a 37mm thread. These things are optional, okay? Nothing special, okay? M.Zuiko Premium. Is that really premium? I used to shoot with full frame, so full frame, but I'm tired of shooting with full frame. That's the only reason I use full frame camera, because it have a multi-universe support for shooting video. I don't really do audio thing. I just plug this one. I plug this one on my subject. I wish Olympus have some kind of like such wireless microphone solution. Okay, let me open the menu. Okay, here's my receipt. No, this is my warranty card. You see, I bought the official one. Do not think I just bought a grey card one. Okay, this is my official warranty. I bought it from Hong Kong because I'm Hong Kong based. I'm in Hong Kong. Why should I show you my warranty card? Why should I show you? 1.8. There's something called micro four third. Panasonic, Olympus are the king in micro four third. Even Kodak tried to enter, but that failed. The original pioneer of micro four third is Olympus. This thing is tiny. Literally tiny. This is a 35mm, which is like 17mm, 1.7 in micro four third. Look at this size. Look at this size. This is a portrait lens equal to a pancake lens on a full frame. Wow, look at this size. Okay, let me just remove this one. It will become more tiny, right? Now it's like smaller. And the build quality is very good. It's built from metal. The cap is really small. Wow, M.Zuiko. Where is my my lovely, why I'm calling her stupid, my darling? Where is my darling? My darling is here. You see, this is my compact travel. I have, you see, lens with me. I wish there was like a pancake lens for the from Olympus. I need this is 40mm f2.5. Yes, there is a 17mm f2.8, but that one is 70mm. I don't need that one. So let me just take out. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's a battery, and then here we go. Let me turn it on, and let me just bring my lovely sexy watch. Okay, yeah, just let me bring my lovely sexy watch. Okay, can you see? I think the minimum distance is quite far away because I just cannot focus on it. Okay, now you see. Sorry, let me just bring it like more far, so I can show you like this. Okay, let's go. Now it can focus. Now it can focus, as you can see. Yeah, now it can focus. So yeah, you need the arm length to focus. So I'm just going to go out and then shoot some videos with that. Yeah, let me just go out and shoot some video with it, and then I'm gonna put some images and video with that. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. I'm just loving it. The must buy. This is with the 45mm F1.8. So this is a video recording. You need to judge how good is the video quality and how good is the audio quality. So just let me walk handheld. So recording with the 45mm handheld walking. You need to judge how good is the video quality and how good is the audio quality.